Hi there, today we're exploring the Barsine Packing Cubes Set of 7, designed to keep your luggage organized and compact. This set includes 5 different sized zipper cubes, a shoes bag, and a large drawstring bag to fit all your travel essentials. Each cube is labeled for easy access, so you can quickly find your clothes, socks, or accessories without unpacking everything. The compression zips reduce your clothing volume by up to 60%, helping you save valuable suitcase space. Made from durable nylon and mesh, these bags allow you to see your items at a glance while being easy to clean and reuse. Whether you're packing jackets or small items, this set keeps everything in its place for stress-free travel. Say goodbye to messy suitcases and hello to organized, efficient packing with Barsine. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.